Okay guys, well there you go. I ended up having to put the aquarium down on the floor to work on it because I'm too short to reach down inside with it on top of the table there. And so there you go. All cleaned up and prepped for the next step. The glass on the outside is nice and clean, and as you can see, I've scraped off any little hints of paint drippings or anything like that that were on it, potentially from when I was painting the trim. So yeah, I think we're going to go ahead and get this ready to do the next step, which will be to remove all of this old caulking from the inside. Initially I had started resealing it, but I was using the wrong kind of caulking. You want to make sure that if you're resealing a tank, you use one that is aquarium safe, that does not have any fungicides or anti-fungal agents in it. I chose one that's from Aquarium, that is specifically made for aquariums, and that should be getting here tomorrow. And so yeah, I just wanted to show you what we've done so far, and that we're all prepped and ready for the next step. So hit the subscribe button and we'll update you in the next video. Till next time, have a good one.